So speak life to the deadest, darkest night.
Well, hello there again. I just thought I would show you some quick and easy way of doing sanding paper free sanding on drywall repair. Basically a no dust drywall repair here. I use this quite often, especially on smooth walls. Textured walls will probably work too, but this way you don't have to have a lot of dust. You can do the sanding with the great results too. Anyways, what I use, and I know a lot of others will suggest this too, is using just a plain basic rag that's a little bit damp. You don't want it overly wet. And I like these ones that have a little bit of a texture to them. You could use a smooth one or whatever rags you got laying around. But anyways, this is what I tell others too when I do it. You can see these drywall repairs I did here are they're fairly smooth. That's why I say take your time, do a job right before you have a lot of mess. And all I do is just wipe it down. You just want to get all the little ridges out of it and that, make it smooth. And if you're doing texture too after this, you can do that. I also like using the sanding sponges. Those work great. I know there's other things out there too, like the mesh sandpaper works okay. You can clean and reuse that if you're doing a lot of sanding. All different ways, but as you can see here, it only takes a matter of about a minute. And it's kind of hard to see it on camera here, but it's nice and smooth. Smooth out just a tad with your hand. And that's it. No dust, no fuss, no cleaning. I'm working here in a kitchen, and I don't want to be messing everything up and getting everything all dirty and having to cover everything, take everything out. Just a couple little repairs I have to do here. So yeah, that's all you really need to do. So hopefully you enjoyed this little quick tip here, and any questions, comments, I'll leave them down in the comment section, and look forward to seeing you again sometime.